If you want to turn your dreams into reality, you need to become the energy you want to attract. If you want to manifest something, and if you want to manifest it fastly, you need to become the energy you want to attract. If you just want to harmonize your entire life and your entire reality, you still need to become the energy you want to attract. The principle of becoming the energy you want to attract is so important. It's one of the most important principles in this entire universe. And regardless of the fact whether you're following the law of attraction or the law of assumption or both, you need to understand why becoming the energy you want to attract is so important, because the energy is a key factor when it comes to these two laws. Whether you want to call it the law of attraction, the law of assumption, you need to understand how the energy works and how to become the energy you want to attract. Because in the law of attraction, yes, you say things like you attract something or you manifest something, but what you really do on a quantum level is just an energetic exchange and shifting into your desired reality. And same with the law of assumption, like what do you think Neville Goddard meant when he said, assume the state of your wish fulfilled? He just told you to become the energy you want to attract. So it's exactly the same thing, only described using different terminology. But the principle stays the same. You have to become the energy you want to attract. If you want to have great results with manifesting, you need to become the energy you want to attract. So why is it so important? Why am I telling you all the time to become the energy you want to attract? Because energy is the basic, fundamental thing and substance and matter in the universe. Everything is energy in the universe. We live in an energetic universe. Everything is energy in the universe. Everything that surrounds you on a subatomic level is just energy. You are energy. You have your own energy field. So all of the things that surround you, yes, they seem super tangible, they're not, they're just energy. It's quantum physics. Energy governs this reality. And energy vibrates on different frequencies. And this is the key to understand how energy works. Like, you don't have to be a quantum physicist to understand this principle. You don't have to be a super spiritual person to understand this principle. But you have to understand that energy creates a reality. Similar frequencies and similar vibrations, that similar energies attract each other. And you always perceive in your reality everything that is in vibrational alignment with your current frequency. Which is actually good news, because that means if your current frequency and as your current reality is not serving you, you can change it. You can shift into a different frequency. You can manifest anything you want. But to do this, you have to shift into a higher frequency. You can harmonize your entire life. You can turn your entire reality around. But in order to do this, you need to shift into a higher frequency. So yes, we're still talking about manifestation. We're still talking about the law of assumption. We're still talking about self-concept. We're still talking about the law of attraction if you follow this one. Energy just stands behind these laws. So really, energy is just like a deeper understanding of both of these laws. Because whichever law you use, you are working with energy. And I want you to really understand this and really remember about this. Whether you choose to work with the law of assumption or the law of attraction, you're always working with energy, because energy is the key and fundamental factor of our reality, because we live in an energetic universe. And you cannot gloss over this principle, like you are energy and everything that surrounds you is energy. So you manifest with energy. Okay, so let's elaborate on the law of assumption. So let's say you want to manifest something, right? So you put on a new self-concept, put on a new identity, you start affirming your new self-concept, you start feeling your new self-concept, you start living in the end, you start living in the state of your wish fulfilled. So you are using like all of these techniques, all of the teachers, and like Neville Goddard himself told you to do, that's great. So what are you actually doing? You're just playing with energy. Like on a quantum level, you're playing with energy, because when you affirm and when you connect this affirmation with feelings, like what is emotion? Emotion is energy in motion. So when you start feeling new feelings, you emit a strong new energy and you get a reflection of this new energy in your reality. So this is really like the magic behind the law of assumption. It's energy. Everything is energy, and always have to remember about this. You live in the end, you assume the state of your wish fulfilled, great. What are you doing? Feeling this. Emotion, emotion is energy. You are jumping onto a new frequency. And because you elevate your frequency through living in the end, you get a different result because you are jumping onto a new frequency, and thus you get a new reality, a reality that matches your conviction. So what are you doing? Becoming the energy you want to attract. And now let's focus on the law of attraction. If that's something you resonate with more, let's talk about the law of attraction now. So let's say you want to attract something into your life. So you're using different law of attraction tools or techniques that will give you these results. So you're doing your scripting, you're doing your visualizations, you're doing your guided meditations, like whichever technique you use, you connect this technique with feelings, right? Because you're kind of like becoming a little bit delusional and you're pretending that you already have this thing and it's yours and you're manifesting it and you're like just choosing this from the universe and it's going to be attracted to you and it's going to manifest in your physical reality, and you allowing yourself to feel all of these emotions connected with your manifestation. So again, what are you doing? What are you doing when you're scripting and feeling these emotions? What are you doing when you're visualizing and feeling these emotions? What are you doing? You are playing with energy. Emotion is energy, emotion. So again, you are becoming the energy you want to attract. And I feel like this is why I wanted to talk about it so much, because the essence of all of these laws and all of these manifestation techniques is always the same. We live in an energetic universe. And that's the only way to actually get the reality you want, is understand how to play with energy. And by using these laws and by using these techniques, you're actually playing with your own energy. And that's amazing. But you have to understand that on a deeper level. And what do I mean by that? Let's say you're manifesting love. You're manifesting your SP, right? And you're repeating the affirmations and you kind of try to live in the end, or you kind of try to like visualize this person coming into your life, but at the same time deep inside you feel like you're not worthy of love or you don't deserve love. And this is a part of your energy. Such strong beliefs become the part of your energy. So what do you think your energy says when you're like doing these techniques and repeating these affirmations or whatever? What do you think your energy is doing? Your energy is preventing this manifestation from coming into fruition because you're not working on your energy. And to work on your energy doesn't only mean to just like assume the state of the wish fulfilled or feel like you already have it, or like acting as if. Yes, these are all key components that allow you to play with energy, but you also have to understand your own current energy and how this energy is affecting your current reality and whether this energy is preventing you from getting the things you desire. Because if you have in your energy body and that's in your mind beliefs that are in opposition to the thing you want to manifest, then you have to take care of these beliefs first. Because once you resolve them, and let's use the example of manifesting an SP one more time. You feel like you don't deserve love, but you want to manifest love. So first you have to actually let go of this belief that you're not worthy of love, and you have to put on your self-concept and essentially start repeating to yourself that you are worthy of love, that you are a lovable person, that you're amazing. And the more you do this, the more you change your energy. And when you change your energy to this like frequency of self-love and self-acceptance, then you can start living in the end and manifesting your SP, and your SP is going to come to you very quickly because your energy won't be blocking and preventing you from getting this manifestation. Also, let's talk about manifesting money. Let's say that you want to manifest abundance, you want to manifest a specific amount of money, and you're doing like all of the techniques, whichever law you use, whether law of assumption, law of attraction, and still don't get the results. Because it's possible that deep inside you have this deep, strong belief that money doesn't come easily. And this belief is connected with certain emotions, and these emotions are affecting your energy field. So first you have to actually resolve this belief and let go of this belief and heal this belief and start repeating to yourself that money comes to you easy and you always deserve money and abundance is your birthright. Because when you start manifesting your specific amount with this type of mindset, and that's with this type of energy that tells the universe you are abundant with energy of abundance, then yes, you're gonna manifest your specific amount very quickly. So in order to attract abundance, you need to become abundance. In order to attract love, you need to become love. In order to attract joy, you need to become joy. In order to attract happiness, you need to become happiness. So this is really like one of the missing links of the manifestation process that so many people get wrong. You need to understand that becoming the energy you want to attract is so important. Yes, law assumption, law attraction, all of the techniques connected with these laws and the manifestation, and all of this is so important because these are the tools that allow you to create your reality. But you can only effectively create your reality when you take care of your own energy, because otherwise your energy is going to prevent you from achieving your desired results. So in order to get what you want, you always have to become the energy you want to attract first. And then use all of the manifestation technique that will help you even more to play with this energy, to change your energy and to shift even into a higher frequency. But when you do this with the strong foundation, when you do this with this like addressing your limiting beliefs, it comes easier because your own energy is not preventing you from getting your manifestation. So becoming the energy you want to attract is a crucial part of the manifestation process. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that now you will a little bit more understand how your own energy field affects your manifestations. So it's always about becoming the energy you want to attract. It's always about nourishing high vibrational states, because the higher frequency, the easier you manifest all of the things you want to manifest, and the easier all of your manifestation techniques will work for you, because your energy is not preventing your manifestation from coming into fruition. So become the energy you want to attract, and you will see how fast you can shift and mold and turn your entire reality around. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.